Question 5, let's look at the equal amount of X, Y, and Z are added separately to 3 test tubes containing equal concentration of ethanolic silver nitrate. The test tubes are then placed in a heated water bath. No precipitation forms in one of the tubes. The other 2 tubes precipitate at different rates. Okay, so definitely, right, why there is a precipitation? Because it's a acyl bromide. Uh, when you compare CF bond to CI bond, definitely the CI bond will be substituted as compared to the CF. CF bond most likely is too strong to undergo nucleophilic sub. I would say that, yeah, why there should be a green PPT, for Z that it should be a yellow PPT. One that doesn't precipitate is X, option C and D. Which precipitate forms the fastest should be yellow. Sorry, not yellow. My bad. Should be cream, pale cream. Okay, because the acyl bromide is the most reactive. Okay, so our option here should be D.